Hello guys, welcome to Person Perfect Studio, and today we are going to know how to create this beautiful title slide in PowerPoint using very simple steps. So let me introduce a new slide. So go to insert and say new slide and use blank slide. So once we inserted the new slide, now go to shapes, insert this rounded rectangle shape. So keep it like this and use this yellow corner to adjust the angle and make it go outside the slide so that it aligns within the slide. So remove the outline and take another copy of this object by using Ctrl Shift, holding Ctrl Shift and drag, and make it size equal to the height of the slide. Now keep using the different color so that we can identify where it stands. So make sure that we have a extend this so that we can see the angle is same as the smaller one. Keep adjusting the yellow angle, so keep it like this, and also you can extend it further so that it occupies the entire white area. So once we completed this, then you can insert another shape similar to this on the right side. I'm just doing the Control Shift and drag option so that it comes on the right hand side. So once we've done that, what we are going to do is that we are going to change the color for this. So we are going to use this green color. So the theme for this is nature. So we are going to use the green color, and for this I am going to use the transparency so that we will be able to see what is behind. So let me keep it to the 20% so that the transparency is very minimal. And I've already copied the image that I want to use in the background. So I'm just going to format shape, so it's on the right hand side. So I pulled it into the slide, and I'm going to use the picture or texture fill option. So the picture gets pasted in the background. Okay. So once we've done that, we can close it, and here we can use some lighter version for this. Similar to what we have done, we are going to give transparency for this also as 20%. And for this we can give very lighter outline. So once we have done this, you can go and insert a text box. So you can go here and go to insert, and you can find the text box here. So you can use presentation title. You can adjust the font size, and you can make it bold, and you can change the font type to Georgia or anything else you want. So you adjust the size as you want. Then on the right side, you can adjust the font size to make it smaller for subtitle, and also you can reduce the font size. You can make it unbold, and for date you can again group them and make it middle to the object. So align and middle. So we have some extra space on the left and right part, so we are going to remove them. So first of all, we need to know where the slide is. So we are going to insert one line and make it to align left. So the slide ends on the slide area gets completed on the left line. So we need to cut the shape beyond that line. So we will keep two shapes. So I introduced already one shape and I want another shape. So I am just using control shift and drag option so that I get another shape. So I am keeping it aligning to the left. Now I select the first shape and the image and then select the rectangle shape and use subtract function to cut it the extra portion. Similarly, select this shape and this one and use subtract function. And for the right hand side as well, since we are able to see the boundaries here on the right hand side, I am not interested in setting any line. So I just select the first shape and select the second shape and use the subtract function. So once this is done, you can save it in your desktop or your desired location. Once it is done, you can start using the presentation. If you want to save this as a template, you can go here and save as here PowerPoint template. So you can name it as green title presentation. So you can just save it. So it will be available in the default template. So whenever we want to use it, this presentation, you can just directly go to file and then open, and then you can go here and open it from here as well. So it will be a lot easier when you have the template stored as a template. I hope you like this video. Please like this and share it with your friends. Thank you guys.